They don't catch monster fish for Cameroon. Hey! This one, na real monster. In fact, na ugly baboon. You know this kind, I dey look for the thing too big. Fish, you know, you don't understand. I never see before. Maybe I know insult me. Me, I never see this kind size. All the fishes where I know, you know, they pass this size. The highest where I don't see, maybe not like this. Way fat, way. This one. You think that you get height. You way they watch me, you think you are tall. This fish is tall, thick, fat, and black. In fact, all together. Imagine the kind of fish wey need more than 10 people to handle. More than, I did not say 10, no, more than, meaning from 15, 20 people. Now they handle this kind of fish. As I see him, I say, Cameroon is about to be wealthy in dollars. I say, I must share them out. So I bet put the video, make them watch.
I said, man, not go to my phone. Yes, hold on, fine, over back. Now they do.
Motherland don't do giveaway finally. Bagam. Una see that fish? Chineke. Hey. Wait oh. I don't know say something like this exists. The ones where I even watch. Now for movie, my people. All those even movie where they do. Movie. Okay, even this one say where I even bring come for now. I know see ya. Now still for screen. No, things they happen. Things they happen. This one is nature giveaway. I beg. Una go dey wonder why I bring this thing outside. I just want to give some people sense. No offense, but I want to give some people sense. You know why? Because I know say now these people, the only thing we go dey their mind. Let's cut it and give to the community. Let's share to the community. Share bao. No, share how? Any small thing a chop. Una so una go chop una destiny too, they go bam. Wetin happen to the last one? That last fish where they catch. How many of una remember? $2.6 million. That fish. No be this one when I just watched. That last one. 2.6. By the time they even realize how much, they don't already cut and just. Some don't already do pepper soup. Some don't already send to their mother in the village. So, in fact, everybody just get planned. 2.6, now just waste like that. Now, the same thing will go happen here if these people don't use their head. After the chopper finish, now so they go just say, hey, that fish was worth $15.5 million. By that time, some people say don't even chop and go push her out. Some people say go. Now that time I go start they regret. Say, hey, if I had no. Make una find out how much did they sell this thing. Find out. No, wait till be fish. Imagine you sell this fish. Imagine the thousands of dollars in your account. You know how many fish you go to chop every day? You feel even they chop fish for 1 year, your money still no go finish. So I beg, find out how much. Shotigba? I wish I sabi speak French now for just knock up. Vous voulez fishy. You understand? So that they go understand. But people, they cannot waste this. Now why I like white people? Hey, as they just discover this thing, bam. Wait till me the next thing. Open one aquarium, bam. Put gate fee, bam. Now some people like you go there, they watch, you go carry your girlfriend. You know, say that they chop your money. Now so you go they pay. White man go they busy, they making millions. You go sit down for a house, get workers. You, when you chop fish, you go watch another person fish, and you go still pay for you to watch that person. Africa. I beg who they dance makosa on top of our head? Somebody's dancing makosa on our head. You know, she say everything. I don't understand. Gone are the days before we they think money, like we they think with wisdom, sense, but now anything we want to eat, anything we want to eat. Anything we want to eat. How long will you eat? No, how long you want chop? Some things abeg make una learn to dey think. I just dey pray, say these people go get enough sense to know. Like this time around, make they use that thing wisely. E dey important. Na why I dey here. And abeg, you understand? Una no fit I come here give them wisdom, so they have to share something. My Cameroonians, make una remember me. You understand? Very, very important. Even if na 1 million, I go manage. You understand? You know. I bet matter with this, so my people, Cameroon is about to be, that is if they use it wisely, they are about to be in what did they call it, $1 million richer. I bet make una help me share so that they go know. Very, very important. And help me to click on that bell too. If not, know how you want to get this kind of matter. I still want to know what you the team. Drop out for that comment section. What thing you think say they supposed to do with that fish? Cut am, share to the community. Sell am. Use money, do better thing. Which one do you think? I will drop out for that side. Stay tuned for next story.